Yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. To everything today, we're going to learn how to make money with pig farming. I want to talk about how to make money with pig farming in Nigeria. Pig farming, also known as piggery, is another aspect of farming in Nigeria that is making smart investors and entrepreneurs huge money on a daily basis. If you are into pig farming, you are sure you wouldn't lack money again for the rest of your life. The reason is because pig meat is high demand in Nigeria and sells very fast in the market. Another reason is that pig reproduce in large numbers and grows very fast. A single pig gives birth to as much as 15 piglets. Know that a piglet is the child of a pig. It is a baby pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. So a single pig gives birth to as much as 15 piglets at a time, making it one of the most producing livestock in the world. So baby pig is known as, shout, farrow, or what, piglet. Male pig is referred to what as boa, while female is sows. As a group, they are called a herd or drove. So that's all you have to know about, the name pig and all that and the family. So what we do now is, is that you have to learn how do we get to make money from this lucrative business. Okay, fine. So a fully grown pig goes for as high as 30,000 depending on the weight. Now imagine for a year you are able to rear 100 to maturity, so you'll be making 3 million from the sales. If you can make it higher, let's say you make 2,000 pigs in a year, you will be making upward of 60 million. Considering how fast pig reproduces, it wouldn't be a very much big deal to come up with 100 pigs in a year. Then how much you go about setting up your pig farm? Below are the important guys. First of all, secure a breed ground. Despite on how you plan to feed your pig, a plot of land may just be okay for a small scale starting, but if you can acquire a large farm land from 5 acres, that will be better, so that your pig can graze in the open and retire to the pen when they are continuing feeding and playing. So you need what? A secure breed ground. You need a land, a very big land where it is secure for you to do what? For you to do your pig farming. Another one again is that you must build a standard pen. The pen, is a kind of a housing for the pigs. So the pen must be standard, so that they can have enough space, to graze and also to rest and to retire to. So a good and serious pen is also important for the pigs' health and free from diseases and contamination. So proper drainage is needed, to avoid water becoming stagnant in your pen, which could attract insects and other harmful pests to harm your pigs. So also, number 3 idea, or guide is that you must do what? You must buy healthy piglets. Like we have told you before, that a piglet is what? Baby pig. So when you are starting, how to buy healthy ones, to start with. So you must ensure that you buy what? A very good and healthy piglets to start with. That's number 4 advice on this, how to rear, how to start a pig farming, a lucrative pig farming business. So you can also make sure you have a veterinary doctor to make sure that your pigs are being checked from time to time, so that they will not be attacked by any disease that will make them to die. So make sure you have a vet doctor that is also coming to check them from time to time. Number 5 is that you have to employ workers. You cannot do it alone. You have to employ 4 to 5 persons if your pigs are up to 100. If you are starting on a small scale, you may need lesser number of 1 or 2 workers who will be assisting in the cleaning of the pigs and the pen, feeding the pigs, and making sure they are well behaved and all that is necessary. So make sure you employ workers that can be able to help you to manage these pigs and piglets. Finally, make sure that you have adequate feeding, for them. So you must prepare a very good feed for them so they can feed normally. The fish must be a diet that is good in fiber, energy, protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals. These are things that they like to eat. So make sure that you have a very good feed for them, and also have a source of water, so that at least water should not be stagnant, so that they will not contaminate any disease. Thanks for watching my video. I believe this little tutorial and guides on how to rear pig and make serious money out of it is useful to you. So if useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question or any comment to make, don't forget to use the comment box below and subscribe to the red button below. Thanks for watching our video. See you in my next tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe with the red button below. Bye for now. Thanks.